Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam described about olive as كلوا الزيت وأدهنوا به فإنه من شجرة مباركة. Eat olive and massage the body with it. It is a blessed tree. فإنه تنفع من البواسير because it is beneficial in piles. اعتدموا بالزيت. Treat with olive. فإن فيه شفاء من 70 داء منها الجزام. It cures 70 diseases, one of which is leprosy. काना रसूलुल्लाह यनाता ज़ैता मिन ज़ातिल जुनूब. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam praised the efficacy of olive in the treatment of Zat al-Janab, that is pneumonia, chest pain and fever. Hence, olive is useful in the treatment of every disease pertaining to breath. A man complained Hazrat Ali about the often pain in his belly and chest. Hazrat Ali advised him to eat olive one time in a day. After Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam's flood, the first thing that appeared on the earth was the olive tree. According to Surah At-Teen, ayat number 1, Wattini wazzaytun, by the fig and the olive. Imam Riza said, olive makes the mouth pleasant, removes grief, refreshes and cleans the face, gives energy to the muscles, and extinguishes the fire of anger. There are 4 famous kinds of olive: extra virgin, virgin, pure, and palms. Olive oil doesn't give smoke by burning and it doesn't congeal. Saudi Arab's cardiologist Dr. Hassan Shamsi wrote a book on olive. He proved through an experiment that with the continuous use of olive, that is 2 spoons in the morning empty stomach and 2 spoons before going to bed at night, sugar level reduced from 500 to 93 only within 3 days.